You know, a lot of favorite artists of mine are going to do their songs tonight. Some covers. Hope you do enjoy. Feel free to sing along with me if you like, you know. So, we're going to start off this wonderful one, the great Bob Nestamali. Hope you like this, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Woo! Don't worry about a thing. Every little thing is gonna be alright. Oh yeah. Don't worry about a thing. Every little thing is gonna be alright. Oh yeah. To rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. Little bird beside my daughter, oh yeah, singing sweet songs, oh yeah, a melody pure and true. Saying, this is a message to you, oh yeah. Say don't worry about a thing. Don't worry about a thing, yeah, every little thing is gonna be alright, oh yeah. Don't worry about a thing. To the rise of this morning, smile with the rising sun. Little bird, beside my daughter, oh yeah, singing sweet songs, oh yeah, I'm gonna be sure and true. Yeah, man, the sin will do it like that.